Ask any professional network marketer and they'll tell you. The keys to fast, sustainable, duplicatable growth are marketing tools and systems. Tools that make it easy to share the product and the opportunity. And systems a brand new person can follow. Tools that will change your business. Tools that normally cost up to $50 a month. But now, for the first time in the industry, LifeWave brings this state-of-the-art tool to you for free. Introducing LifeWave InTouch. Available for iPhone and Android, LifeWave InTouch turns your smartphone into a prospecting machine. Share professionally produced videos with the click of a button and track when and how much your prospect watches. No more sending people to a generic website where you can lose them, because every time you share a video through LifeWave InTouch, it links directly to your LifeWave replicated page where they can purchase or join immediately. A powerful tool, but even more important, a system. Because now, every distributor can download the app and prospect their warm market immediately. Imagine a distributor new to the business, excited to start growing their business but still learning, can now prospect their top 10, 20, or 30 prospects in a matter of minutes. That creates action. That creates momentum. And that creates sales. LifeWave InTouch is the tool for building this business with beautiful product and opportunity videos, shareable social content, corporate event information, distributor training, and other great resources. Don't delay any longer. Download the app and get started today.